Alright, so I just realized that I haven't made basically regular gyros, I don't think ever. I made chicken gyros back when I was starting to lose weight. That I did do. But we are going to make gyro tacos today. So I have some ground lamb, and then we'll make a seasoning mix for it. We'll make our tzatziki sauce, and then we'll load it up with yummy deliciousness. I'm excited. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're going to start with is the sauce. So, 1/4 cup of fine diced seedless cucumber, or basically an English cucumber. But you don't need a lot. You can peel it if you want. I'm not going to. I don't care. I like tzatziki sauce enough. It doesn't bother me. But if you want to, peel it. But you need about a 1/4 cup's worth of fine diced cucumber. And this is going in our bowl. Okay? Next, a 1/4 cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt. Alright, next, a teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of olive oil, a teaspoon and a half of dried dill, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, about 2 cloves or about a teaspoon of minced garlic, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Give that a mix. Bueno, perfect. So, we're going to set him off to the side, and we're going to make the seasoning for our lamb. Alright, so we have a pound of lamb, so I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of oregano. Alright, and there is our seasoning mix. So, we're going to take our ground lamb, our seasoning mix, and some corn tortillas, and we're going to head out to the Blackstone. Let's make some tacos. So, shells, lamb meat. Alright, next, some feta cheese. Alright, and then some shredded lettuce. I'm adventurous, so I'm going to put some banana peppers on here. Okay, then our sauce. Okay, and then some diced tomatoes. I'm just gonna eat. Let's eat. That's all that needs to be said. Let's just eat. Let's eat. Oh, yeah. You know what? You don't get any. No, you don't get any. Nope. Wow. Alright, so, the sauce, phenomenal. The lamb meat is absolutely on point. It's got a little bit of heat. The cumin really comes through, but this sauce is, I could bathe in tzatziki sauce. I swear. Like, this needs to be on somebody's taco truck. Like, this is fantastic. Yeah, I don't even want to say words. This is such a damn good taco. Well, guys, there you have it. Gyro tacos on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button. Throw a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. And as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Yeah, I'm gonna have dreams about that taco. So yummy.